Make popular Thanksgiving recipes. When a roasted turkey is sitting as a centerpiece, you sure know that it's Thanksgiving. But aside from this traditional dish, do you have any other dishes to prepare for your relatives on vacation? If you can't think of any, then brace yourself with these mouth-wateringly popular Thanksgiving recipes. Your guests' travel will never be a waste of time with these delicious dinner ideas. Roasted/fried/grilled/steamed turkey. Thanksgiving would never be complete without that golden brown, tempting roasted turkey. Don't settle on tradition, though. Use your imagination so you can serve better turkey experience. Rather than roasting your turkey, you can fry, grill, or even steam it. However you cook it, as long as it's delicious and it's turkey, then it's worth serving on Thanksgiving Day. Turkey gravy. The roasted turkey will never be complete without the gravy. Like it or hate it, it is a holiday must. Pumpkin pie. This recipe is also a traditional favorite along with roasted turkey. It will never be Thanksgiving holiday without this food on the table. You can give a modern twist to this pie topping with a sweetened, whipped cream. Cranberry sauce. This is an easy Thanksgiving dish because you can buy it ready-made. Although not your own recipe, canned cranberry sauce will always receive a thumbs up. You can always create a distinct taste through your own recipe. But the canned option saves time and money.Or. Why not add cinnamon to the ready-made to give it some zing? Mashed potatoes. This recipe is not just popular for babies but for Thanksgiving too. Mashed potato is already delicious as it is, but you can make it more delicious by adding mushroom gravy or onions. For a change, you can try mixing it with sweet potatoes and butter on top. Always keep this hot, though. Cold mashed potato is not attractive to the taste buds. Corn. The first Thanksgiving dinners had corn on the table. That is why to this day, corn is served, albeit with a distinct and more delicious flavor. Boiled sweet corn is the best with butter melted over it and a little sprinkle of salt. You can try grilling it too. Homemade rolls. Kids won't feel it is Thanksgiving without those homemade rolls. Though you can get rolls from the supermarket or bakery, it is even better if you make your own. Homemade rolls are not only a safe bet but will truly be appreciated by those relatives who have traveled so far. Pie. You may already have pumpkin pie, but having the addition of apple pie and/or pecan pie is even better. Your Thanksgiving dessert won't be as special without these pies on the menu. More desserts. Your children will love desserts like cookies, cupcakes, cheesecakes, gingerbreads, apple cakes, and pumpkin rolls. Just make your recipes special whether your faraway relatives are on vacation at your house or not. The important thing is that you know the reason for celebrating the Thanksgiving holiday, to celebrate the fruitful harvests or the bountiful blessings that we have received. Just for that reason, any Thanksgiving recipe on the table will undoubtedly be very special.